Good morning, folks. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Trade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we will be looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average and answering this particular question: if the bull run is under threat. So let's have a bit more conversation around this and see where exactly those potential support and resistance levels are. As always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, which can be downloaded from our website, avatrade.com. Now, on the daily time frame, because as you can see that the daily tab is passed over here, we have few different indicators on the chart. To begin with, what we have is we have three different moving averages. This is your 50-day simple moving average, followed by that is your 100-day simple moving average, and finally your 200-day simple moving average. What we see is that the price is clearly trading above all the three important moving averages, which is incredibly positive in terms of this bull trend. And what we can do is I'm going to get rid of these lines because we're going to draw them once again. And secondly, what we also have is we have a Bollinger Band, which is represented by these blue lines. And this thin blue line is the 20-day simple moving average. Now, what it shows is that yesterday's price action clearly confirmed that there was a lot of, let's say that, not lot of confidence. There wasn't enough confidence in the market, whether we are going to go up, whether we're going to go down, because clearly what happened yesterday was that the price pierced to the upside of this Bollinger Band, and price also peered to the downside of this Bollinger Band as well. But more importantly, what price did do yesterday was the price touched the 50-day simple moving average, and we haven't seen the price coming close to this one since at this particular time. So that was like, let's say, the mid of December, when the price did come close to its 50-day simple moving average. Now, at the time, clearly the price didn't touch the 50-day simple moving average, and after that, even the movement that the price saw since then, it wasn't really that great, because we only saw a small movement to the upside. As you can see from here, yes, the price did come close to this one, but the momentum from there onwards was very, very small. And as of yesterday, the price once again tested its 50-day simple moving average. So what does that mean? Basically, this means that there are greater chances for the price to move to the downside from here, to break the 50-day simple moving average, and it can actually see some serious sort of a retracement, which can push the prices towards the 100-day simple moving average on the daily time frame. Now, in the light of this means that what we really need to do is we need to redefine our support and resistance levels once again. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring out the line, the horizontal line, and then see where it really lines up with the previous zone. And as you can see, this area, the previous resistance, now going to become the support, is the area which is quite an intriguing one for us to look at, because this is where the price can easily come, and price can potentially bounce off from these particular price levels. Now, of course, if the price doesn't really stop over here, then the next important price level in terms of a price action is really going to be towards the 200-day simple moving average, which means the price can really come in around these particular price levels right over here, where this rally kind of started, or at this particular price level, this particular candle, which was not really too much of a confirmation because the price you kind of struggled, but then of course after that we saw this massive rally. So this particular price action right over here, it represents your second support zone. So uh, let me identify them. Let me mark them on the chart so that you know which one is which one. So this one is your support level number one, and this one over here is your support level number two. As always, support level number one is good, but support level number two is much more stronger, much more better. And once again, the chances, to summarize, the chances are that the price is likely to move towards its 50-day simple moving average, then eventually breaking that average, coming back towards this minor hiccup area where we could see a small sort of a bounce, but then the price may not do that because the important area of support is could be near the 100-day simple moving average. If price doesn't stop here as well and it continues its journey to the downside, then the next area is really going to be right over here. Alright folks, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.